Hi guys, just a quick one. I'm parked up in Prince's Gate car park at the moment. I've just been into Poundland to get some new batteries. This is my Harvard 020 that doesn't have a battery in at the moment. It takes a 9-volt PP3 battery. It's one of these I got from Poundland. They've made the packaging for the PP3 smaller. That's impressive. I like that. So the problem I have is working out which one of these terminals is positive and which one of these is negative, because I don't want to put the battery in the wrong way. But from what I have seen online, and because I don't have the little red insert in there that tells you the polarity, I have seen that the contact closest to the printed circuit board is the negative. Now, I looked that information up using Google. Other search engines are available, and I found a video by, a very recent one actually, by, oh, there it goes, by Richard, UK FMCB radio servicing, where he's actually servicing one of these, well, repairing it. And the way he had his crocodile clips connected to the battery terminal for the 9 volts is by way of connecting the black to the one closer to the circuit board. The radio was positioned, I believe it was something like this, and the negative terminal was like down there like that. So the negative is therefore closest to the circuit board. So that's the way the battery would therefore go into the holder. So you also got to get it right, because if you don't, it's going to damage or destroy the radio, and that's not going to be good. So I always use these Kodak batteries from Poundland because I find them to be actually pretty good, unlike certain branded batteries. So on PP3 batteries, the polarity is usually marked. That's a positive and that's a negative, and pop that in there. It's not making contact very well because it never does on this one. With a bit of luck, when I turn it on, yeah, that's powered up just fine. So, because there is supposed to be a slip of card that came with this that actually goes in there, because the negative terminal has kind of lost its springiness, so it doesn't hold anymore. And that's it. That's now back to working order. Right, and that's it now working. The battery cover's back on. I think that control needs some service oil in it. If I key up my T3000, 1212, which has got a bit of a dodgy mic, that's fine. So, and little red light there to test the battery. So, yeah, that's now all working. That's my rather unusual Harvard 020 with channels 14 and 19, rather than 14 and 30 that most of these have. Now, back to working order.